an exhaust leak underneath the exhaust manifold because one of the bolts was stripped out, and so there really wasn't, like, we couldn't replace it unless we had to replace the exhaust manifold, and I didn't really want to do that because it's connected with the intake manifold. And then replaced a couple power steering lines and the power steering pump that was leaking, and that's pretty much it. I already did all the carb stuff, so it's chill. Yeah.
For goodies down there. It really does sound good.
Yeah, it's fine. We'll probably, I think what I'm going to end up doing is get like a really small razor blade or something like that, bring it around the outside, and then maybe like use a syringe or something like that, and put adhesive remover around it and just let it sit.
Try to pop it. I've got some nice pry bars now.
Okay,
I got
cool.
the Technon pry bars.
Yeah, the little bolts just on each side.
Yeah, because then we can fix the main seal.
Exactly.
Then
That's just the main
it's set.
Then it's literally good to drop anywhere. Then it's just got body, and that's it.
Wow.
So,
That's awesome.
and it doesn't look like power steering is in there.
No.
It doesn't sound like it either, but you can hear it.
Yeah. You'll be making noise.
Yeah, exactly. It was making a lot of noise at the beginning.